So guys, for the first step, you want to get to this screen. Now to get to this screen, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. Once you turn it back on again, you're going to see the Windows Zone screen. Now once you see the Windows Zone screen, you want to turn off your computer and then turn it back on again. Repeat this 3 times and then it'll bring you to here. It's going to say that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options, which will then bring us into here. Now once you're in here, you want to click on Troubleshoot, and then you'll click on Advanced Options. And now we're going to be trying out a few things. So for the first method, we're going to click on Startup Repair, and then it's going to diagnose your PC. See if this fixes your problem. If that has not worked for you, then you want to click on Advanced Options, and then click on Troubleshoot, and then click on Advanced Options again. And now for the second method, you want to click on Uninstall Updates. If you don't see it, then you want to click on See More Recovery Options, and then it should appear. But now you want to click on Uninstall Updates, and then you can try both of these. Try them one by one and see if that fixes the problem. And now for the third method, you want to click on System Restore. If you have a restore point, then you want to click on Next and then go to your restore point. In my case, I don't have one, so I'm just going to click on Cancel. But if you do have one, then this should definitely fix your problem. Just click on Next, follow the steps, and then go back to your restore point. And now for the next method, you want to click on Command Prompt. And now you're going to type in all these commands. So the first one is going to be C:, click on Enter. Now it's going to be CD space /Windows /System32 /config and click on Enter. Now you want to type in MD space backup, click on Enter again. For me I already have it, so that's why this came up, but in your case it should work. And now you want to type in copy space ** space backup, click on Enter again. You probably won't get this, but I've already done this in the past in a different tutorial, so that's why I'm getting this again. So if you do get this again, just type in all and then click on Enter. But you're probably not even going to get that, so it's fine. And now you're going to type in cd space regback, click on Enter again. And now you're going to type in copy space ** space ... and click on Enter. And now you're going to type in A and click on Enter again. And now you're going to type in exit, which will then close up Command Prompt. And now you're going to try continue onto Windows 11 and then see if that fixes the problem for you. If the problem is still not fixed, then you want to come back into this screen like I showed you how to do at the start of the video. And then you want to click on Troubleshoot and then click on Reset this PC. And then you want to back up your files and then click on Remove Everything. And you have 2 options here, either keep my files or remove everything. If you select remove everything, make sure you have your personal files already backed up. If you don't, then click on keep my files. And then just go through this and then your problem should be fixed.